All right, here's our homework video for Wednesday, October 12th. Let's jump in with number 1. It's a multiplication problem with a double digit on the bottom. 2 digits means I need to zero and cross out. Let's go. 4 times 4 is 16. Carry the 1, bring down your 6. 4 times 8 is 32, plus 1 is 33. Carry the 3, bring down the 3. 4 times 8 is 32, 33, 34, 35. 0 and cross out. 0 and cross out. Keep going. 6 times 4 is 24. Carry your 2, bring down your 4. 6 times 8 is 42, 43, 44. Carry your 4, bring down your 4. And 6 times, what did I just say? 6 times 8 is 48, 49, 50. Heavens to Betsy, what am I doing? 50. And then 6 times 8 is 48, plus 5, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. Woo! Here we go. 6 plus 0 is 6. 3 plus 4 is 7. 5 plus 0 is 5. 3 plus 3 is 6. And bring down your 5 for an answer of 56,576. Our next problem is a division problem, so we're going to use partial quotients. It's time to divide. I'll tell you how it's done. Using partial quotients is a whole lot of fun. Set up your think box. Hundreds, tens, and ones. We've got to multiply it all by our divisor, which is 6. 100 times 6 is 600. 10 times 6 is 60, and 1 times 6 is 6. Using friendly numbers is the way to go. We cannot use 100 times 6. It is too big, so we need to use a tens number. We want to get as close to 411 as we can. 10 is too small, so let's go halfway there. Let's try 50 times 6. 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 5 is 30. 300. I bet we can get a little bit closer. Let's try the next one up. 60 times 6. 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 6 is 36. I bet we can get even closer. Let's try 70 times 6. 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 7 is 42. No, we went over. So 70 times 6 is too big, so it's going to need to be 60. Put your number on the outside and your answer below. Subtraction comes next. Yeah, you know it's getting real. We're trying to make the dividend completely disappear. Keep using friendly numbers to subtract the dividend. I can't use any more tens numbers because now I'm at 50. So now I'm into my ones digits. So I'm thinking, what number is going to get me as close to 50 as I can using my multiplication facts? So let's think, well, 6 times 9 is 54. 6 times 8 is 48. That's pretty close to 50. Put your number on the outside and your answer below. Subtraction comes next. Yeah, you know it's getting real. Miss Ross is doing crazy things right now. 1 minus 0 is 1. I hope you guys caught that mistake at home. But notice how I'm always looking back and checking over my work to make sure. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? Okay, so jumping back, we had 51, but we still couldn't have used 9. That would still have been too big. So we still went 8 times 6, which is 48. Subtraction comes next. Yeah, you know it's getting real. We're trying to make the dividend completely disappear. So that 5 is going to become a 4. That 1 is going to be an 11. 8, 9, 10, 11 is 3. Keep using friendly numbers to subtract your dividend. When you can subtract again, then you know you've reached the end. Let's wrap this problem up because you know it's getting late and Miss Ross is getting tired. Add up your friendly numbers. There's your answer, man. You're great. Check it with multiplication. All right, Miss Ross definitely needs to check this with multiplication because she's already made 2 mistakes and she's only on her second problem. So we're going to take our 68, which is our quotient, and we're going to multiply it by our divisor 6, hoping to get to our dividend. 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 6 is 36, plus 4, 37, 38, 39, 40. And then we need to add 3, 8, 9, 10, 11. Carry the 1, 1, 4, and thank goodness it's the right answer. So our answer to number 2 is 68 with a remainder of 3. Number 3, write as a numeral 1 and 100th. 1 and 100th. We know the and is our decimal point, so we have 1 whole and 100th. That means that 1 needs to be in the hundredths place. The first place after a decimal is the tenths place. We don't have any tenths. And we have 1/100th. If you put your 1 right after the decimal, you wrote the number 1 1/10. We needed 1 100th. Number 4, which choice best shows the shaded amount? Again, if this whole flat equals 1, we have one column shaded in. There are 10 columns altogether, which means that one column represents 1/10. So we know B is incorrect. We know C is incorrect. We've got 100th and we've got a 10th. And so A is our correct answer. Number 5 is another division problem, so we're going to use partial quotients. It's time to divide. I'll tell you how it's done. Using partial quotients is a whole lot of fun. Set up your think box. Hundreds, tens, and ones. 300,900, 390, and 39. Next, look at the problem because we've only just begun. Using friendly numbers is the way to go. We can use a 100. Put your number on the outside and your answer below. Subtraction comes next. Yeah, you know it's getting real. We're trying to make the dividend completely disappear. Keep using friendly numbers to subtract the dividend. I cannot use my 100 friendly numbers anymore, so I'm going to move down to my tens friendly numbers. Okay, I see that I can use 10 times 39, 390. Put your number on the outside and your answer below. Subtraction comes next. Yeah, you know it's getting real. We're trying to make the dividend completely disappear. Keep using friendly numbers to subtract the dividend. Can't use any more tens friendly numbers. I'm down to my ones friendly numbers. 1 is too small, so let's try 39 times 5. I always like to go to that halfway point. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 3 is 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 195. You want to try a little bit higher? How about 39 times 6? 6 times 9 is 54. 6 times 3 is 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Holy moly, we found the answer we were looking for. Put your number on the outside and your answer below. Subtraction comes next. Yeah, you know it's getting real. We're trying to make the dividend completely disappear. Keep using friendly numbers to subtract your dividend. When you can subtract again, then you know you've reached the end. Let's wrap this problem up because you know it's getting late. Add up your friendly numbers. There's your answer. Man, you're great. Check it with multiplication. So we're going to take our quotient, 116, and multiply it by our divisor, 39, to hopefully get our dividend. 9 times 6 is 54. 9 times 1 is 9, plus 5 is 14. 9 times 1 is 9, plus 1 is 10. A 0 and cross out. 0 and cross out. Keep going. 3 times 6 is 18. Carry 1. Bring down your 8. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. 3 times 1 is 3. Let's add them up. Here we go. 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 8 is 12. Carry 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4,524. 4,524. Huzzah! We've got the right answer. So the answer to number 5 is 116. Almost there. Number 6. In a pattern, the first number is 3. The second number is 6. The third number is 9. The fourth number is 12. If the pattern continues, what will be the 17th number? First thing we need to do is we need to find the pattern. All right, well, let's see. The pattern 3 plus 3 is 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 10, 11, 12. So they're all adding 3 to get to the next number. So I could just keep adding 3 until I get to the 17th number, but that seems like it would take a long time. What do we know about repeated addition? Repeated addition is the same thing as multiplication. So look here. This is 3 times 1. 6 is 3 times 2. It's my second number. 9 is 3 times 3. It's my third number. 12 is 3 times 4. It's my fourth number. So all I'm doing is taking 3 and multiplying it by each place where my number would fall. So if I want to find the 17th place in my pattern, then all I would have to do is 17 times 3. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 1 is 3, 4, 5. So the answer, what would the 17th number be? It would be 51. So there you go. There are all of the answers to tonight's homework. Hopefully you're feeling good about it. If not, I hope to see you in the morning like I've seen some of my friends so far. Don't forget your test is tomorrow. I'll see you all then. Have a great afternoon.